That's why I gotta get the shop cleaned out so I can get a new, fresh mine. This one looks cool. Nice and smooth.
Yes.
You know, the price of junk went up, and then somebody stole a bunch of my stuff, so it's harder to get the stuff. And then I had a good bunch of stuff, and they just come in and stole it.
Really? Yeah. That's fun.
I'm glad it turns hard because the kids were spinning it too much, but you see how it works.
Yeah.
I had a bigger wheel. That's why I put a small wheel on here. So.
I like how it makes music too.
I had a fan blade on the front, but I finally flew off. But when the wind hit it, I left it off.
Do you get to exercise out here much?
I should do it more often, but...
Well, that's got to make it fun, at least.